There was a homeless person walking by. It's filming? It's been recording.
We're making slime today. Hold on. Gotta show them the setup. So we got the plates. Brenda brought the plates.
I brought all this.
Okay, Nadia with the shaving cream.
Yeah.
Plates, glue, containers.
Don't forget the food coloring.
Oh, the food coloring. Emily gave us some pupusas. And then, hold on. Oh, wait, the other side. And then I brought myself. Okay. Yeah, I'm a pro vlogger. So we're just going to make slime. Not just gonna eat some pupusas.
Yeah, I came late.
But let's not say.
It was my dad's fault, not my fault.
It's okay, it's okay. So yeah, we're just gonna have fun and stay lit.
And remember that Roblox is life.
Oh, hold on, let me beat it. Okay. Okay, it's recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so we finished our slimes. This is mine. Very cute. This is Emily's. We got the yellow one and then a pink and like a orangey red solid color.
This one's Brianna's.
Oh, Brianna's. And then this one.
Brianna made so much slime.
I know, bro.
I did it too.
She's clean, bro.
I didn't make that one.
You made this one.
And then we have.
Did you forget my name?
We have Nadia's. I'm sorry.
Wait, do you want to go by Naya with it? Yeah?
I don't mind. I don't mind with you guys. You guys are cool.
We have her purple slime as she's playing with it. And then we have her blue slime.
Yeah.
Then we got Brianna.
I made the most out of this, like...
No one cares.
I used every glue bottle.
Okay, so she made that green, that caca slime. And then the blue and the red, pink.
Y'all feel like the hate through the screen? What is this?
Bro, it's cute. Okay.
This one's really cute.
Yeah. Okay,
Oh
so,
look, it's like Halloween colors.
yeah. We're gonna do some ASMR. We're gonna do some ASMR.
But look at
really
the
quick.
hands after. Like all ashy looking.
That's just you guys.
Who made that color? Who made this color?
Okay. ASMR.
Show it.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
Okay.
Next one.
I cannot. Wait. It's not done. Look at, is the sun shining? Look at the glitter. Look at the glitter. Yup.
Okay. Exactly. We got Emily's ASMR.
Okay.
Wait, am I doing it right?
Okay, after the show, our worst slime.
Okay.
Oh, bro, I only have 2. You have like 10,000 ones.
Well, which one's your least favorite between them?
I guess this one.
Okay, now our least favorite.
Least favorite.
It's this ugly green, like. But I did pull with the glitter.
Okay.
Wait, it's good. It's good. pretty. The gold. Oh, it's getting some ketchup.
Okay, now we got Nadia's least favorite.
The purple one. Yeah.
Why?
Well, between those two, because you only made two.
Yeah, well, the two of the ones I made were good.
Yeah.
They the side I went.
Nadia side eye is always too strong, bro.
It's not my fault, bro. It's just necessary.
You better pick that one.
Okay, now we got Emily's. Disclaimer, I apologize. Okay.
It was all yeah. That one was all Yaneli's fault, huh?
Okay, now we've got me.
Wait, how do you?
Oh, yeah, you can.
Oh, it's that? Wait, this is okay.
Hold on. Oh, so sticky. Wait.
That ain't looking good.
Hey, from the slime, not the slime.
Hold on, let me just get some activator. Okay.
It hurts.
Okay, the only thing not good is the color, but it's still good.
Are you sure?
See, hear those crunches?
That texture? Wait, how do you zoom in?
For those of my mommies, zoom in on the slime.
I am zooming in on the slime.
She's zooming in on your
Is that a hair?
No, it's not.
Yeah, look right there.
No. Alright.
Go away.
She's trying to film her slime.
Wait, this looks good right here.
That looks gross.
Good. It's giving boogers.
Boogers are like.
Maybe this was my least favorite actually. I think the texture's not good.
It's better.
I thought you showed that one already.
No, I haven't.
You haven't showed this one.
Oh.
Is the texture bad?
No, it's good.
It dried up.
This one. Ooh.
It looks nice on camera.
Looks better than beer in this one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nothing.
Wait. Wait.
I told you that was sticky.
I know, but when you go like this, it's not like as sticky.
Who's squishing their slime like this?
When you pop the bubble.
It's because that mom had like 3 baby daddies. I've never played Roblox in my life.
Yeah, bro. You actually never played Roblox?
Swear.
What did you play?
I didn't play Roblox.
Show their slime.
Oh yeah. So we donated some slimes.
I donated like 4 of those.
I donated like 1.
Got slime for days. Kid friendly.
Okay, what now? Our third slime?
What third slime?